This week for my meal prep, I have all my ingredients and everything I need to okay, what are you talking about? Like, you're stuttering. So this week for today's like, get it together. So I got all my ingredients right behind me. We're gonna go ahead and cook this stuff up. I'm not counting any calories. I'm not counting any nutrition facts. All I know is that this is a healthier option than me going out buying Popeyes, Burger King, White Castle every day. It adds up in I'm trying to cut that food allowance down, and really eating in is what's up. And I'm just working on my overall health, because we don't need to be eating our feelings away. Like, get it together. So everything in this haul is from Fresh Thyme. I got whole grain bread. It's a healthier option. Then I got a bag of avocados, because in the morning I'm gonna have avocado toast for my breakfast. Then I like to squeeze some lemon or some lime in my avocados. I make it from scratch. And I'm also gonna use another lemon for my lemon water, because we're healthy. Then right here is my lunch. I'm gonna be making spaghetti squash. I was gonna opt out of the meat, but I'm gonna transition to try to be vegan, or just be plant-based. But right now we're not doing that. I need a little meat. I need a little substance. So we got our spaghetti squash right here. I'm gonna see how we make it. I think this is gonna be my second time actually making it, so pretty excited about this meal. It's pretty good. So last but not least, I have my salad for dinner. And my salad, I love this salad. This is a cranberry walnut salad. I used to buy it all the time at Schnucks. It has gorgonzola cheese in it. I love this. It kind of looks like maybe it's molded, but it's not. It's gorgonzola cheese. It's so good. And then I have my walnuts right here, and I have my cranberry. Great value. That's from Walmart. And then I have my mixed like spring salad. It's only $5, which is a good bang for my buck. I don't think I always use it all up. I usually use some of it in my eggs or my smoothies and stuff. And it has like spinach in it, as you can see, and it has a spring mix of different things in it. So super healthy. I think this is like a good start for week 1 of my health journey. So as you guys can see, I tried to make the avocado toast. I was in the process of cutting my avocados, but they're all bad. Like, they're bad. They I don't know if that's mildew, if that's, I don't know what's that called. I can't think of the word, but they're not good to eat. So I gotta find another breakfast item. I'm kind of sick of eating oatmeal and cereal. That's literally all I have up there is oatmeal and cereal. I'm sick of oatmeal and cereal. I need something else to eat. So maybe toast. I got this peanut butter that was made right before my eyes. I got this peanut butter. This is natural peanut butter. It's fresh from the ground. I grounded the nuts up myself, or either they were already grounded up and I just got it. Like, this hasn't been in a warehouse. This is some good peanut butter. It tastes different. So maybe some toast with peanut butter and fruit on the side or something. I don't know, because that almost sounds like a peanut butter sandwich, and I don't like peanut butter sandwiches. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for breakfast. I probably will do the toast, peanut butter, and like fruit on the side, something simple and quick. But I don't want it to get like boring and bland, so we might switch it up. Hey guys, so this is the end of this video. It's pretty late. It is 1 a.m. on the stove. I don't know if you can see it. So it's 1 a.m. right now. I'm super tired. My feet hurt. I've been cooking. I've been taking a break, cooking, taking a break. But it's time to end this video. So I thank you for making it to the end of this video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. And I'll see you in the next video, y'all. Get on your health journey. Like, what are you doing? We got to take care of ourselves in 2020. Like, we can't be eating out and then gaining weight and then never lose again. Like, we got to do better. So let's do better together. See y'all in the next video.
Bye.